Welcome to this video tutorial for Stock Investor Pro, AAI's fundamental stock screening and research database program. In this video segment, I will provide a brief introduction to the custom field editor. Stock Investor Pro offers over 2,000 data points available in the program. No matter how powerful a stock screening program is, there will always be data points that investors are interested in that aren't listed. In Stock Investor Pro, users have the ability to go beyond the thousands of data points available by creating their own custom fields. In this video, I'll create a quick custom field using the growth rate function. Start by opening up the custom field editor. You can do this by simply going to Tools, Custom Field Editor. As you can see, there is a field picker on the left and a drop-down menu containing mathematical functions. I am going to create a custom field that shows me the growth rate of accounts receivable for the last 5 fiscal years. I'll start by selecting the growth rate function, which appears in the expression box. Accounts receivable is a balance sheet line item. This means that in order to select accounts receivable, I will need to go to the field picker, expand Balance Sheet Annual, find Accounts Receivable Y1, and double-click it. Accounts Receivable Y1 is the accounts receivable figure at the end of the last fiscal year. Next, I will select Accounts Receivable Y6. This represents the accounts receivable figure at the end of the period 6 fiscal years ago. Finally, since this growth rate is an annualized figure, I will enter the number of periods that it covers. In this case, it covers 5 fiscal years, so I'll enter the number 5. Make sure you put commas in between each of the data fields. Simply put, we are calculating the annual growth rate in accounts receivable from its level in Y6 to its level in Y1, which covers 5 years or compounding periods. When finished, the expression should look like so. If you click Verify, Stock Investor Pro will show you if the expression is valid or invalid. After confirming that the expression is valid, save by clicking on Save As. Create a name here. After saving the custom field, Stock Investor Pro will ask whether you want the custom field to be calculated. Click Yes. You can then close out of the custom field editor. If you select the Custom tab, it will show you all the custom fields that you've created. It will also show you the values of the custom fields for the company you've selected. If you highlight one of the custom fields, the very bottom will present the formula that you used for the expression. One of the advantages of Stock Investor Pro is that after you've created these custom fields, you can screen on any of them. To do so, open up the screen editor. You'll notice that in the screen editor, if you expand the Custom Fields category, each of the custom fields that you've created are now listed. I'm going to perform a quick screen that provides me with companies with accounts receivable growth for the last 5 fiscal years to be over 10%. By clicking on how many, I can see that over 1,700 companies pass this screen. If I click Apply, it shows me all of the companies that are meeting this criteria. As you can see, we've now created an entirely new data field, simply from data fields that are already in Stock Investor Pro. Needless to say, this feature opens up a broad range of possibilities when using this program. For more Stock Investor Pro resources, please visit our website or our wiki. As always, feel free to email us or give us a call.